GEDCOM files are the universal standard for genealogy. It's just text describing your family tree. You can upload it to almost any Ancestry site to visualize it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's look at the file structure. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your GED file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. The GED file type is part of the data file group. It conforms to the established GEDCOM Genealogy Data File protocol. The GED file type is a standard Genealogical Data COM file. It is a text-based format used to exchange genealogical information, family trees, records, events, between different genealogy software programs. The format was created by the Latter-day Saints, LDS Church, to simplify data transfer. The design rules are defined by the GED COM standard, which uses specific tags and structure to represent hierarchical relationships and historical facts in a plain text file. The developer of Ages, Yerndab EK, created the original specifications for GED. Windows cannot natively resolve the external dependencies of this proprietary file. Windows gives a basic description, but understanding the stored data requires compatible tools. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the GED file and click Open with Test Ages first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. If you still cannot open your GED file, that is okay. We know the GED format is specialized. The error means one key detail is missing. Let's run through our quick verification checklist to find it. First, use Genealogy Software. Open the file using a standard genealogy program such as Ancestry, Family Tree Maker, or Legacy Family Tree. Next, check for encoding. If characters appear corrupted, try changing the file's encoding to ANSI UTF-8 or ASCII in a text editor before re-importing. Finally, validate integrity. Use the software's built-in validation tool to check the file for structural errors, e.g. missing tags or invalid cross-references. If local programs can't interpret the GED file, the most effective approach is to use software that bypasses normal file associations. This gives us the best chance to open it. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your GED file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this. Wishing you success with your files.